I wanted to know if these instant latte powders could actually compete with an iced latte made with my $500 espresso machine. So I put them to a head-to-head test. The instant version is super simple. Powder, ice water, and stir. I ended up stirring for almost 5 minutes and it still wouldn't dissolve. The latte looked super grainy. Then I made my usual iced vanilla latte with my espresso machine, which was smooth, the perfect color, and tasted way better. The powders are only about $4 each, so if you buy lattes every day, these will definitely save you money. But if you want the best quality, an espresso machine is absolutely worth the investment in my opinion.